Hello guys, what's up? I'm Shamela. Welcome back to my channel Shimi's Kitchen. So today I'm here to share how to make Korean rolled egg omelette. This easy rolled omelette recipe can be made in just 20 to 30 minutes. So let's see the process. Break 4 eggs into a bowl. Season with some salt and some pepper as required. And to this I'm adding one finely chopped onion and some finely chopped capsicum and finely chopped red bell peppers. And now give this a very good mix. Place a non-stick pan over medium-high heat. Grease with some oil. This whole cooking process should be done in a slow flame. Once thoroughly heated, pour half of the egg mixture as directed. Gently cook until the bottom is set but the top is still slightly wet. Now use a spatula to gently lift one side and fold it over about an inch. Continue to lift and fold or roll until the egg reaches the other side. Now grease the exposed part of the pan with oil and pour the other half of the egg mixture in a thin and even layer. Allow this layer to fry for 2 to 3 minutes on slow flame. Once the bottom is set and top is still a little wet, tightly roll the egg back to the opposite side. Now cook on the sides for a while. Be very gentle while you flip the roll. And now finally transfer to a cutting board and rest it for 5 minutes. Then slice the roll into even pieces. And now transfer into a serving plate and serve hot. I've always been a big egg lover. I can have them sunny side up, scrambled, boiled, and I can never grow tired of them. There is something so satisfying about eggs when they are perfectly cooked. So guys, if you enjoyed this easy Korean rolled omelette, please share it with your family, friends, or on social media. Take a picture if you have made my recipe and hashtag me on Instagram, hashtag Shimi's Kitchen in your feed or stories so that I can share your creation in my stories with credits to you. And follow us on Instagram page shimis.kitchen for more short recipes and updates. And also subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Take care and have a nice day.